Hello everyone. The question says that what is the force between two small charged spheres having charges of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Coulomb and 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 Coulomb placed at 30 centimeter apart in the air. So here we have to find out force between two small charged spheres. So we have to find out electrostatic force. Now the expression for electrostatic force is given by Coulomb's law, which states that the electric force between two charged particles acts between the line connecting them, and it is inversely proportional to the distance separating them, and it is directly proportional to the product of those two charges. And also the same charge repel each other, and opposite charges attract each other. Now this can be summarized in a mathematical equation like this. Now Fe equals to K times Q1 Q2 divided by R square, where Q1 and Q2 are the magnitude of the charges, R is the distance of separation, and K is the constant, and for air it is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Now here in this question we have been given the value of those two charges and the distance separating them. So we can easily substitute these values in the equation, and then we can find out what is the force. So substituting these values, we get force as equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Now since we have been given the charges that are both positive, so we can say that since charges are of same sign, that is positive sign, so that the force will be repulsive in nature. Thank you.